In this video, I will explain how you can apply the stroke or the outline to the cutout of the person in Photoshop. So let's get started. So just imagine that we have got this photo and I want to apply the outline for this particular photo. So it's very simple. What you have to do is just select that layer where the photo is. You can see this is the layers panel and this is the layer where this photo is available. Once that layer is selected, what you have to do is go to this quick selection tool and then you will find this select subject button. So just click on that. So what it does is that using artificial intelligence technology, it will select this person. Now the person is selected. Now what you have to do is that just right click and then select layer via copy. Okay, so you can see that new layer is created and there is just one person. I mean the background is removed basically. Okay, so now what you have to do is that you have to go to that new layer that has been created and then go to this effects, then click on stroke, and you can see the stroke is already applied. Now you can see that the stroke is also applied on this border as well. So if you want to remove this, you can go to this position and then do it outside, and you can see that the stroke or the outline that was there for this around the border is removed. And if you want to change the color, just select this color over here, then click on OK, and you can see this beautiful image that has been created. You can also change the size, so all the settings are available here. So as per your preference, you can change that size, or if you want to fill this with the different types, like for example gradient, you can select the gradient as well. But generally I like just one color, and that is white. That's it. Thanks for watching.